In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Smartsheet when it will not load. If Smartsheet is not opening properly, loading slowly, or getting stuck on a blank screen, don't worry. There are a few simple things you can do to troubleshoot the problem and get back to work. I'll walk you through the most effective steps in a clear order so you can rule out common causes before reaching out for help. First, refresh the Smartsheet page. Sometimes the issue is only temporary, and a quick refresh is enough to reload the session correctly. If you're using a browser, simply refresh the tab and give it a few moments to load again. This is the fastest fix to try, and it often solves small loading glitches right away. If that doesn't work, check your internet connection. Smartsheet depends on a stable connection, so even if other websites seem to work, a weak or unstable network can still cause loading problems. Make sure your connection is active and consistent. If needed, reconnect to your network and then try opening Smartsheet again. Next, log out and then log back in. This helps reset your session and can resolve account-related loading issues. After signing back in, return to Smartsheet and see if the page loads normally. This step is especially helpful if the problem started after being signed in for a long time. If the issue continues, clear your browser cache and cookies. Over time, stored browser data can interfere with how websites load, especially after updates. Clearing that data gives your browser a clean start and can fix conflicts that prevent Smartsheet from opening correctly. Once that's done, reopen your browser, go back to Smartsheet, and test it again. You can also try another browser or device. This is a useful way to find out whether the problem is specific to your current setup. If Smartsheet loads on a different browser or device, that points to a local browser or system issue rather than a problem with the platform itself. Another important step is to check Smartsheet's status page for service issues. If there's an outage or ongoing maintenance, the problem may not be on your side at all. In that case, the best option is simply to wait until service is restored. If Smartsheet still will not load after trying all of these steps, contact support. Let them know what you've already tested so they can help you more efficiently. Following these steps in order gives you the best chance of solving the problem quickly and getting back into Smartsheet with minimal downtime.